So there are 11 basic aptitudes. Intelligence, which I'll define intelligence. It's your bag of marbles. Now there's a difference between intelligence and reasoning. Intelligence, by the way, which I'll show you what this means. This is divided into different levels. Have you gotten into aptitude testing, anything like that? Okay.
They do that vocational assessment class. So this is an extension like class that's after that baseline.
See, so when you talk about stats, you know, and it's kind of like, it's not all that bad, you know. So if we talk about the lowest level, and we say, you know, this could be between the 1st and 9th percentile, second level between the 10th and 32nd percentile, third between 33rd and 66th percentile. So this represents the aptitude picture for that particular occupation, and that has to do with intelligence or learning ability. Now, reasoning is how you shoot your marbles. So reasoning can occur on 6 levels. So 6 is dealing with things that are very abstruse, astrophysics, that sort of thing. Level 1, sheltered workshop, hot stamping, heat sealing, that sort of thing. And so this is the reasoning level, and it's arranged in a hierarchical way. I'm trying to avoid getting into the stats. Not because I don't think you'd understand it, but I don't want to go too far with this, because my job is to show you why you want to know some of the things that are in these courses, because they really do matter. When I took my first assessment course, I thought it was crap, that we had to write all these reports, you know, and look in the back of the manual and understand the validity, reliability, and the different kinds of validity and so forth. And so just to run through these: intelligence or learning ability, verbal ability, numerical ability, spatial aptitude, form perception, your eye for detail in things, clerical perception, eye-hand coordination, finger dexterity, manual dexterity, eye-hand-foot coordination, color aptitude, reasoning, math, and language ability. And then SVP stands for specific vocational preparation. You're going to love the definition of SVP. It's the average amount of time to become average on the job. Now, people could argue about this, but it's classified as being semi-skilled. Now, you're going to love this, because what I can do is say, all right, so you got back problems and so forth. We're going to restrict our search to sedentary work. And we're going to get rid of light work, medium, heavy, very hefty, heavy, no climbing, balancing, stooping, crouching, crawling. All of these things are on an occasionally, frequently, and constant basis. So occasional would be like up to 1/3 of the time, frequently 1/3 to 2/3 of the day, and constant would be above 2/3. Okay? Man, people have been collecting this data for almost 100 years. Because remember, in many situations like Social Security, disability, workman's compensation, others, people are telling you what they can't do, not what they can do. You get a medical report, it'll say, you know, no excessive stooping, kneeling, crouching, crawling, and so forth. So what this does is it leaves open all the other things that you can do: reaching, handling, fingering, feeling, talking, tasting, smelling, near acuity, far acuity. So these are all the things you can do.